What's up, guys? Welcome to Mr. Jen Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be talking about Walton Chain. This is an OG coin. I'll be giving you 5 reasons, guys, why I believe this coin is going to 50x your return. We'll be talking about the price chart, the Walton dollar price chart. We'll be talking about the Walton Bitcoin price chart. We'll also be looking at the Ethereum price chart of this same coin. I'll be showing you the market cap and the dominance. I'll be showing you important things I see why this coin is going to 50x your return. And guys, before we go on, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this and turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business.
7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0.
Now, Walton Chain is an OG coin. The coin has been there since 2018. As a matter of fact, the coin has not experienced any bull run, and the first reason, guys, why I believe this coin is going to the moon at the point of recording of this video is currently trading for $0.57. It has a market cap of $45 million. It has a fully diluted market cap of $57 million. And guys, the 24-hour volume is currently at 4.3 million. So there's no plenty activity on this chain. But there's something very important. And guys, this coin is actually on most of the major exchanges. Is on Binance. They have the USD pairing, I have the Bitcoin pairing. It's on Bitom, it's on Huber Global, it's on Qcoin, it's on OKX, it's on Warzeri. This exchange is actually like the biggest exchange in India. So you see that you have a lot of exchanges that you can buy and sell this coin. Now, that's one reason why I believe the bull run is going to happen for this coin, because when these coins are on these exchanges and normies are coming into the crypto space or retail investors coming to the crypto space, the exchanges they go to first is those big exchanges, and they'll look for all those tiny coins and tokens that are less than $1 because they're assuming to go high in higher prices, or they'll see these tokens increasing massively in prices because these tokens are less than $1. If you have one Bitcoin now, you can probably get almost 100,000 of these tokens, and that is why I believe it will actually go on a massive bull run. You might not want to believe that, but let me show you some things I saw in the chart that are supporting my claim. Now, this is the price chart of Walton Chain versus the dollar. You can see that the coin here was launched at the end of the 2017-2018 bull run. At the tip end, this was when Bitcoin was retracing, and the coin has been having a downward movement since then. Since then, it lost over 99% of its dollar value. The coin launched as high as $40 and it got as low as 15 cents. It's currently trading for 56 cents at the point of recording of this video. But guys, I believe we'll go back to the all-time highs very soon. If this coin can go back to where it was when it launched, we'll have to have a 72x, a 7270x. That's for it to go back to $40. Walton Chain can actually go back to $40. It has done it before. It can do it again. It's currently trading for less than $1, and that is one reason, guys, why I believe it's going to 50x. If we're going to use our Fibonacci extension tool, so let's assume this was the top of Walton Chain's previous bull run and this was the bottom of the bull run. You can see where the Fibonacci extension for Walton Chain is taking us to. It's taking us to crazy valuations. It's telling us Walton Chain can go as high as almost $150. Is it possible? Hell yeah, it's possible, guys. We've seen Solana, we've seen Avax, we've seen a lot of cryptocurrencies do more returns than that. If this coin actually goes to $100, for example, if Walton Chain goes to $100, that will be more than 170x return on your money. I think that will be more than enough in this alt season that is coming, guys. Alt season is actually coming. Get ready. That's why I'm showing you all these low cap gems that you can ape into right now when they're still low, when nobody wants them. You want to ape into those coins right now so that when they go high and everybody wants them, you will be dumping your tokens and walking away with your huge profit. You can see that right now at the point of recording of this video, the market cap of Walton Chain is currently less than 50 million. So if the coin actually 100x, guess what? We're just at 5 billion. And if you go to the cryptocurrency market cap list, you can see that 5 billion doesn't even get you into the top 10 cryptocurrencies. Is it possible? It's very possible, guys. Crazy things actually happen in all season. You can see the ranking of this coin currently is at 595. That means a lot of people don't know about it, or a lot of people don't know it. Now, let's just be realistic in our projections. The last price point that Walton Chain has been finding hard to pass is the $3.5 region. You could see that it got to $3.5 on the 8th of April 2019. It couldn't get there before we crashed in April last year. It couldn't get there before crashing in April last year. It just got to 2.8. But let's use that 3.5 as our highest point. Let's use the Fibonacci extension. So let's go to the 3.5 as the highest point, and we'll come to the bottom of the bear market. From our current price position, if Walton Chain is going to do what Bitcoin and Ethereum have done in the market, we're supposed to see a 20x return, and that's at the minimum. Walton Chain will go to like $10-12. Very, very possible for it to go to $10-12. The market cap just have to go to over $500 million. And guys, that is very, very possible. $500 million means Walton Chain will be valued less than $1 billion. And when all season comes, crazy valuations are coming for all these coins. And I believe Walton Chain is one of those coins that is going to actually go to over $1. Why? They are solving real life issues. They might not be popular right now, but trust me when I say they actually know what they are doing. Now, we're going to be checking the Walton Chain Bitcoin price chart. And you can see right here, since the Walton Chain Bitcoin price chart topped on the 18th of January or the 22nd of January 2018, it has lost over 99% of its value against Bitcoin. The same way it lost over 99% of its value against the dollar, it lost 99% of its value against Bitcoin. So we have been losing value against Bitcoin. People have been switching their Walton Chain for Bitcoin. All this while, at some point in time, guys, the trend is going to flip. People are going to start flipping their Bitcoin for Walton Chain. And you know what increases prices? What makes the prices rise is when we have more demand than supply. So right now you can see that the whales are actually accumulating this coin at this region. You can see that we have a lot of volume for Walton Chain's buy volume at this region. These are the whales accumulating. When the whales are done accumulating, guys, you're going to see a pop in the price. You first say test pump, will come back, then you see another mad pump. And I believe this will happen. Why do I believe this will happen? At some point in time, those whales that ran into Bitcoin, they ran Bitcoin up, they are sure that the Bitcoin bull run is over, they want to cash out. They want to cash out more Bitcoin. What will they do? They will buy these altcoins at low prices right now. They are actually buying these altcoins, and the normies are running to Bitcoin. You can see that all the marketing right now in the market is about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Ethereum. And when the normies now start seeing that all these other coins are having a higher percentage increase than Bitcoin and Ethereum, they will now start running to Walton Chain, to Smooth Love Potion, to all other small cap coins, and you will now realize that these coins will now be going very high in value. And now the whales that were buying at the bottom here will be flipping their Walton Chain for Bitcoin. So the normies will now be giving them their Bitcoin and collecting Walton Chain, while the whale will be exiting Walton Chain. And guys, that's another reason why I believe it will have a mad increase. And guys, for Walton Chain to just get to the levels where it was in April 15, 2019, it has to increase by a factor of 3,300% against Bitcoin. It has to increase by a factor of 3,300% against Bitcoin for it to get to levels where it was just at 15th April 2019. And Walton Chain has not actually experienced a full bull run. It was launched at the end of the previous bull runs. We've not actually seen what Walton Chain can do in the bull run. We're about to see that when it starts pumping, it's going to pump very hard. It's going to pump very violently. For it to get to its previous all-time high on the Walton Chain Bitcoin pairing, Walton Chain has to increase by a factor of 27,000%. So guys, when I'm giving you valuations that Walton Chain can actually get to as high as $100, the proof is in the chart, man. I showed you the dollar price chart. Fibonacci extension tool is telling us that Walton Chain can actually do what Bitcoin and Ethereum are doing. It can get that high. And you can see right here on the Bitcoin pairing showing us that we have a lot of room to run. Now we'll be checking the Walton Chain Ethereum pairing, and it's almost the same story as the Bitcoin pairing. Walton Chain has been losing value against Ethereum since it topped in 2018. It has lost 99% of its value. Does the same way it lost 99% of its value against the dollar and against Bitcoin. Ethereum was no different. It actually lost a lot of value. But what I believe, guys, at some point in time in the future, people will start flipping their Ethereums for Walton Chain. You might be wondering, why would they do that? Why would they leave a high quality asset like Ethereum and now start running to Walton Chain? Guys, a time will come in the crypto bull run. That's when all season is happening, where people want more returns. Now, most of the returns they have gotten in Ethereum, they still want more. They are hungry for returns. Imagine Ethereum increasing by 10%, 20%, which is a very, very good return. Ethereum is currently trading for $3,000. For Ethereum to have a 20% increase, Ethereum is going to go over $3,500. And imagine Walton Chain increasing by a factor maybe like 100%. First, people will notice, then Ethereum increases it by another 20%, which takes it over 4,000. Walton Chain increases by another 200%, which is currently, to put it at like $2. People are like, what? What is happening right here? That means Walton Chain is increasing faster than Ethereum, and the smart people will start flipping their Ethereums for Walton Chain, and the dumb people will come at the top right here, where Ethereum versus where Walton Chain has gained so much value against Ethereum. That's where the normies will now start flipping their Ethereum for Walton Chain, while the whales will be flipping their Walton Chain for Ethereum, back to the quality assets. So the whales are playing this game of, they have run away from Ethereum and Bitcoin, and they have come back to all these altcoins that they believe will pump in the future. And when those altcoins start pumping, they'll start flipping it for Ethereum and Bitcoin, because Ethereum and Bitcoin are the leaders in the market. You'll buy all these altcoins just to get more Ethereum and Bitcoin. And for Ethereum, for Walton Chain to actually get as high as his previous valuation against Ethereum, it has to increase by a factor of 142,000%. Another proof, guys, why I believe Walton Chain can actually get to $100. It sounds so crazy right now when I'm saying it, but I believe it can actually get there. We have seen Shiba Inu going to over more than $10 billion market cap valuation. Can Walton Chain do it? Very, very possible. Now, the next price chart we'll be looking at is the Walton Chain market cap. Now, this is the summation of all Walton Chain calculation multiplied by the price. Now, you can see right here now that Walton Chain is currently less than $50 million in market cap. For it to reach its full Fibonacci extension, that's if we assume that the top of Walton Chain came in 29 January 2018 and the bottom came in on March 9, 2020. If it does what Bitcoin and Ethereum have done, all of them are showing their full Fibonacci extension. That means they have gotten to this point on their Fibonacci extension. So Walton Chain will have to increase by a factor of 9,000. It's currently at $45 million. It has to increase by a factor of 9,000. It has to go to over $9 billion. So it's very, 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 very possible you can 90x your money if Walton Chain actually reaches full Fibonacci extension. And right now, Walton Chain is currently trading for $0.58. This is currently trading for $0.58 for it to 90x your return, guys. That is a lot of money. You are seeing Walton Chain will be over $45 at most. Some people are saying it can go to $50. I'm actually saying my outrageous prediction for Walton Chain is $100. But if Walton Chain gets to $30, guys, I'll actually be taking heavy profit, because you can see that $30 is like the previous all-time high. $30 is the previous all-time high. That's equivalent to Bitcoin going to 20k after dipping from 20k to 3k, equivalent to Bitcoin going back to 20k. That's how Walton Chain will feel when it goes back to $30. And once it goes back to $30, guys, I'm going to be cashing out, because I'm already up over 5,000%. The profit that I'll be leaving on the table from that 30 to the full Fibonacci extension will probably be less than 300%, and I'm fine with that. I'm fine with leaving that amount of money on the table. Now, on the last chart we'll be checking before I round up this video, guys, if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notification. If you want to follow me on all social media platforms, on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Telegram, it's Mr. Legend Crypto. The last chart we'll be checking, guys, the Walton Chain dominance. After Walton Chain was launched, it gained market dominance and it got as high as 0.18% of the total crypto market. And guys, this was when Bitcoin topped at over 300 billion. The total market cap probably just crossed $1 trillion or less than $1 trillion. And right now we're over $2 trillion, and Walton Chain has lost market dominance. At some point in time, when Walton Chain is pumping, guess what will happen, guys? The dominance will actually increase. It happens all the time in all these small cap coins. At points in time in the whole crypto market cycle, which is alt season, a lot of people will want to get more risky, so they want to be buying all these coins that have small valuations, because they want to have 10x, 20x, 50x. You are the smart people. You are the one watching this video right now because you want to front run them. You want to get in on the low prices, and that's why I'm making these videos for you guys. So the summary of what we have learned in this video, guys, is that Walton Chain is the coin of the future. It has been here since 2018. It has actually not partaken in any of the bull run. It got as high as $30 before it actually started crashing. Right now, it's currently trading for like probably $0.50. Is currently trading for 58 cents, has a market cap of 50 million. It can go to the moon, but guys, this is not financial advice. Contact your financial advisor before you make all these decisions. And guys, always remember to put a stop loss when you're putting your order, because you don't really want to take out your money. But if you're into long-term investing and you don't want to trade these coins, you just want to buy and hold, that would be a very, very good strategy. You want to dollar cost average into these projects. Dollar cost average, you'll be buying small every day till you get to a price point where you're like, you know what, I'm done accumulating. I'll wait for the markup period, and you wait for it to go to the moon. And what usually happens at the end of each Bitcoin bull runs, after Bitcoin has a March crash, after having a magical run, is that Bitcoin will actually retrace back to 702. That's enough to get people so very, very bullish. People will get bullish and saying, oh, Bitcoin is going back to the moon. And that price point on this chart is currently at that 58,000, 57,000. So be very, very watchful as Bitcoin is going towards 57, 58,000. If you see all these other coins going crazy, going to the moon, you know, when all season, better take profit, because we can't continue going up forever. This market is not up only at some point in time to crash, but we want to get our money, get your profit. Maybe you flip it to Bitcoin or flip it to USDT, put in your bank account, do what you want to do. But my aim here is to help you guys make money in this market. See you guys in the next video. Bye.